welcome to another video of my cooking channel. In this video, we are going to be making a chocolate mug cake. And what we will need is one microwaveable mug, some water, 1/4 cup of mashed bananas, some nut flour of your choice and type, some white sugar, and some cocoa powder, some oil, and some vanilla extract. And if you want to, you can add some of these chocolate chips. And what we need to do is we need to measure out the flour, and we need 4 tablespoons of flour. And there's 1 tablespoon. There's 2. There's 3. And then there is 4. And then we will need 1 teaspoon of the sugar. And if you want it to be a little bit sweeter, you can always add more sugar to it. And there's the 1 teaspoon right there. And then we'll need 2 tablespoons of this baking cocoa. And try to get it as level as possible. And there's 1. And there's 2. And then we'll need to add the 1/4 cup of mashed bananas. And then we will need 3 tablespoons of water. There's 1. There's 2. And there's 3. Then we'll need to add the 3 tablespoons of this oil. There's 1. There's 2. And there's 3. And then we need to add some vanilla. And you can add the amount of vanilla you want to add. And then we will also add the chocolate chips if you want. Once it's all mixed up, it should look something like that. You're going to microwave it for 3 minutes. If you want to, you can add some other flavorings like strawberry flavoring or banana flavoring. It has been in the microwave for about 30 minutes. It should look something like this. If you don't want to use nut flour, you can always use a different type of flour to substitute for it. If you use regular flour and an egg instead of the banana and the nut flour, then it should look something like this.